afternoon, my friends. How are you doing today? Oh my goodness, I missed you guys. And you may notice something different about this video, and that is I don't have my normal brick stone background behind me, and that is because I am in a new apartment. And if you guys haven't seen Braden and I's moving vlog, I will go ahead and link that down in the description below. But we moved. We actually moved all the way from Utah to the other side of the country in Richmond, Virginia. So we are here in Virginia, and I'm still trying to figure out the lighting that I want for this video. I'm in a new space, and so I apologize. Give me a few videos as I try and figure this out. But also, I'm not really sure what I want to do back behind me. This is kind of just like a blank wall. So if you guys have any suggestions of maybe what I should do back there, like I don't know if I should try like some of that stick-on wallpaper that I see some creators use, or should I hang like a picture, or should I do like some plants? I don't know. I would love to know your guys' opinion, but that has nothing to do with our videos. So let's go ahead and start talking about the top 5 affiliate marketers that you need to be following today. And I know this is so weird, but like since we're in a new apartment, I don't know, in my last apartment, whenever I was filming, like I could talk at a certain level and I wasn't worried that my neighbors could hear me, but like we can kind of hear our neighbors through our walls. And so like, again, you guys are gonna need to forgive me and just give me a little love, because I'm not sure, like I feel like I'm whispering, but I wanna talk normally, but I also don't wanna bother our neighbors. It's a whole thing. I want to go ahead and preface today's video by telling you guys that all the crazy, awesome affiliate marketers that I'm about to share with you guys do have a presence on multiple social media platforms. But I selected these affiliates because most of them specifically don't have a massive team of people that are helping them either make content or run their businesses. And so that's why these affiliate marketers are really great to model or, take advice from if you are a solopreneur or you're just starting out with affiliate marketing. Because the mistake that I think we sometimes make is we look at these people who are having success in a certain area and we're wondering why we can't do what they're doing, and that's because we don't realize they have a team of 20 or 50 people working for them, creating content, doing their emails, and all that other stuff. So these people are really great to follow and take advice from and just learn from if you are just starting out. And I'm going to tell you right now that there is nothing that these affiliate marketers are doing that you couldn't do yourself. So with that, let's dive in and look at our first person. Now, the first affiliate you need to go follow right now, and at any point if you need to pause and just go follow them right now because the chances are high that you might forget. The first affiliate is Brian Brewer. Brian, he is an absolute legend, and in fact, he's actually making $30,000 a month in affiliate commissions. Who else here thinks that making $30,000 a month would drastically change your life? And what is so freaking cool is Brian is actually killing it on TikTok. So if you are on TikTok and you want to get started with affiliate marketing using that platform, you need to be following him right now. And I'm gonna go ahead and leave all the information for the affiliates and their socials and all that good stuff down in the description below. But what Brian does is he creates 10 to 30-second videos on TikTok, and this helps grow his business in 2 ways. The first is it actually cross promotes his YouTube channel, and second, it sends traffic directly to his sales funnel where he collects email addresses and also pre-frames his customer for the affiliate products he is promoting, which is primarily Legendary Marketer. And as Brian has shown, TikTok is very beginner friendly, so you can see results fast even as a beginner on the platform. Okay, the next affiliate on our list, and oh my gosh, this affiliate is one of my favorite boss babes on the internet, and her name is Cathrin Manning. Okay, so Cathrin, she is literally the sweetest gal, and she is so down to earth. I absolutely love her and her content so much. And what's so cool is as of March of 2021, she has made $12,000 in affiliate commissions alone. Now, Cathrin's main strategy is YouTube. So she does spend most of her time creating videos that educate people on how to grow on YouTube, but she's also amazing at sharing products that she genuinely loves and uses. And because she's built up this incredible trust online, whenever she refers products or services, people have no problem going through her affiliate link and buying those products because they trust her. I know. It's crazy. I'm like trying to switch up the angles in this video and just see what good angles there are in this little space of mine. It's a work in progress. Now, the third affiliate that I am so excited to share with you guys, his name is Jonathan Montoya? I think that's how you say his last name. Jonathan Montoya, and he has created a multiple six-figure business online leveraging and using affiliate marketing. And this guy, just like all the other affiliates that I've mentioned so far in this video, is killing it on multiple social media platforms. But for this video, I mainly want to focus on his success on Pinterest. Now, what's so awesome is Jonathan is bringing in well over $10,000 every single month from his affiliate marketing. And he was even able to walk away from his $80K a year engineering job because of his affiliate marketing income and success online. Jonathan not only has this incredible electric energy that just makes you so excited about whatever he is talking about, but he is also pumping out content like a madman, and he really understands the questions that the people are asking in his niche and the problems they are facing. So he can make content around that and answer people's questions and understand their problems, so they want to buy the products that he is promoting. The next affiliate number 4 on our list, is Spencer Mecham, and the platform that I wanted to focus on with Spencer was actually email marketing. Now, Spencer Mecham is widely known as the first ClickFunnels affiliate to hit $1 million in affiliate commissions, along with a free car, his dream car, from ClickFunnels. And Spencer really is a genius when it comes to creating his content, but one area that he really shines is his email list. Most people out there, and you may even feel the same, hate opening their email inbox every morning, and there's hundreds of emails from entrepreneurs and businesses who are selling their stuff. But I can honestly tell you, cross my heart, that I look forward to getting emails from Spencer. Wouldn't it be so cool if people looked forward to reading your emails? So I highly recommend following Spencer and hopping onto his email list. He's got a ton of free things that you can get, and that will get you onto his email list. So go ahead, hop into his world and check out his emails and model his email marketing strategy, because it is fire. And speaking of fire, we're gonna do a little cheesy intro into our last affiliate marketer, which is actually Lee Dumas. And this guy, he's a serial podcaster, but he runs the famous podcast Entrepreneurs on Fire. See what I did there? Yeah, that was bad. Now, Lee Dumas, out of all the affiliates that I shared with you, he probably has the biggest team of people working for him, but let's go ahead and check out his earnings. So this is the website for Entrepreneurs on Fire, or Fire Nation is what they call it, and they actually upload their monthly income reports for everybody to see, which is actually kind of cool. So if we scroll down here, we're in 2021 overview. So let's look at this. The total income for 2021, we'll take a look at the net income, all right? So about $700,000, a little bit over that. But if we scroll down just a little bit further, we can see where their streams of income are coming from. So obviously you can see a huge part of their income is coming from their sponsorships, so 78%. But if we look at this like dark yellow section right here, their affiliate revenue, that's how much they're making. So let's do some math here. So we've got the net income, which is a little over 700,000, and let's figure out times 7%. So far in 2021, we're 6 months in right now at the time of me filming this video, they've made over $52,000 with affiliate marketing, and affiliate marketing is only 7% of their income. Crazy! So you can see from looking on my computer that affiliate marketing isn't a huge part of the overall income that Lee Dumas makes, but that's okay. My goal with showing you this is to show you that traffic and building an audience is really what affiliate marketing is all about. And what's awesome is John says it's very important to, one, have tried or used the product that you want to promote, which I 100% agree with. I don't even know how it's possible to promote products you haven't used and you don't know if you like. And 2, know that the product or service that you want to promote can truly benefit your audience. So there you guys go. That is 5 affiliates that I absolutely love and that I have learned from and that I think you should be following today, because there's so many gold nuggets that you can learn from every single one of these affiliate marketers and the platforms that they have been successful on. And again, I will leave as much information as I can for each of these affiliates down in the description below. Go check them out, go support them, because they are doing incredible things. I hope you guys liked today's video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. I'm still trying to figure out my space, so thank you for being patient with me. I love you guys, I appreciate you, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, dudes. What if I just held the camera up like this and just filmed like that? That'd be unique.